What is up, guys? Cigar Noob here. So I've been trying to come up with a solution on how to record outside without my computer, because when I did my last cigar review, my computer got too cold because it's getting chillier here in New Jersey in the fall, and I couldn't save the videos because they just kept freezing. So I got this little Purple Panda lavalier. So right now you're hearing the audio from the Purple Panda. Now we're gonna go to the GoPro. And I'm just gonna test this out and see how much better it is than the actual GoPro, if this is worth even doing. So I have this on my iPhone, so I'm recording both audios at once. So right now we're on the GoPro, mic check, 1 2 1 2, and then we're gonna go back to the Purple Panda lavalier on the iPhone. And we can even try to get this a little closer. Let's try to put this right on my right there on my collar. So let's see. Hopefully this is a good way to record videos go forward, because the GoPro is made to, you know, it's waterproof. It can withstand a lot tougher conditions than a MacBook Pro, especially nowadays because they're not so tough. So hopefully, if you're looking for a solution for recording your cigar reviews, this might be one, but I don't know. Go for it on the channel. Hopefully this works, and this is just a little test. So we'll see. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the like button. If you have any questions about how to record or how to sync up audio and video, it's pretty easy. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this little audio video technical test. I hope you like the cigar content that I have been making. I get a pipe tomorrow, so we're gonna try that out. I'm definitely gonna do a video about that. So I really hope that this audio solution works, but yeah, thanks so much.